take a look at this one. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Torch red in color, black interior. 36,000 and some odd original miles to it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Indicates two-owner car. The gentleman that previously owned this car actually bought it from somebody he knew, and that's one of the reasons he bought it from him, was because of the condition of it. And as you can see by the front nose cone here, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, rock chips, anything like that. Take a look at the underside pics. I'll tell you where to check those out in a little bit. Look at the underside of that fascia. Look at the whole underside of this car. There's over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, producing 345 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, 4-speed actually, with overdrive. As you can see, riding on the polished wheels, Michelin tires. Take a look up and down that passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches there either. This car is pretty clean. Yeah, it's 20 years old. It's got 38,000 some odd miles on it. You may have a little small touch-up or a nick here or there, but very, very minimal and minute on this one. There's your center console. Automatic shifter. Dual climate control. AM, FM, CD. Also would have heads-up display, driver's information center, and a lot of other good options that I'll get into when we get around to the driver's side of the car. There's your center dump exhaust. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some extras that are going to go with this. We got some kind of tail light vents, balances, whatever you'd like to call them. Kind of a little dress up for the tail lights. There is a 2000 Corvette convertible little model and display case, the 2000 Corvette drive, and there's your center filler panel. If you're in a state that does not need a license plate, you can fill that front bumper panel up. Once again, still pictures. Look them over. There's over 100 online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just take a look up and down this driver's side. You're going to see that it is also very free of any sort of nicks, scratches, chips. Also in nice condition. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Go out over some more of these options, see what kind of condition this is in. Memory seating, Bose stereo, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It is also power seat. And just take a look at this bolster, how it's wore. Very nice shape there. It's one of those cars we kind of joke about. It has floor mats on the floor mats to protect stuff. All right, stop in, get rid of that dinging. Heads-up display controls over here. Of course, cruise and tilt. Driver's information center. And here's your electronic dual climate control also. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you listen to it run. Compressor does kick on, and it does also blow cold, by the way. Wanted to let you know that. Oh, sorry, there was the miles too. 36,827. So 36,827. I'm gonna pop this hood too, so you can take a look underneath there. You can see it has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Take a look at that hood liner. There's your 5.7 liter V8, nice tidy engine bay. Has not been modified, exhaust, anything like that. No cold air intake. You can tell it's just a stock 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. And again, come around to the back here. No crazy exhaust notes, no aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. All right, I'm gonna pause this one last time. I'm gonna shut her off, put the hood down, and I wanna put that top up so you guys can see the condition of that top. So let's go ahead and check that out too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got the top up. Once again, manual top. One person standing on one side of the car can put it up in about 20 seconds. Very user-friendly. And best of all, no mechanical parts to go wrong. As you can see, black cloth, like I said earlier, rear glass window, rear defogger. It's in great shape. Doesn't hardly look like it's probably been up on the car that much. And if you're the next owner, you'll probably see why. Top will be down a lot. But if you need it to keep you out of a little garden variety shower or keep the sun off your head, back, face, hey, it's going to work great for that. Want to drive with the AC on? Go right ahead. Just put the top up. So you're looking for a nice C5, known history, well taken care of, good shape, clean Carfax, original miles. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.